A very good morning to my dear students. How are you all today? So today we are going to start with the first chapter of class 7th, that is integers. Now this is the very introduction of the chapter which will help you to solve the exercises after your concepts gets clear. Before jumping on to the topic integers, first let's take a quick warm up on what are whole numbers and natural numbers. Now whole numbers are those numbers that starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on until infinity. Natural numbers are those numbers that starts with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 until the infinity. Then comes the negative numbers. Negative numbers are those numbers that have minus sign in front of them. For examples, -1, -2, -3 and so on until infinity. Natural numbers are also called positive numbers. Now let's move on to what are integers. Integers are the collection of numbers positive numbers and the negative numbers. Integers are the combination of both positive numbers and negative numbers, including 0. Now one thing that you have to keep in mind is 0 is neither a positive number nor a negative number. Zero is neither a positive number nor a negative number. Now how to locate these integers on a number line? How to draw a number line first? Make a line. In between write down 0. Now on the right hand side comes all the positive integers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. On the left hand side comes the negative integers starting from -1, -2, -3. Now in some cases few students start writing -1 from this side. So this is going to be wrong. You have to start writing -1 from this side. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. Now how to locate numbers on the number line? Suppose there is a question asking you to locate +1. So as we know that numbers that are on the right hand side of 0 are called positive numbers. In the question they're asking about positive 1. So here you can locate positive 1. If they ask you to locate minus 4, for this we know that numbers that are on the left hand side of 0 are called negative numbers. So over here you will find minus 4. One more thing you need to keep in mind, that negative numbers have minus sign in front of them. For example, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. But positive integers may or may not have plus sign in front of them. Which means that if only 1 is written or only 2 is written, this also means that these numbers are positive integers. I hope now you all are clear with what are positive integers and what are negative integers. Now let's move on to our next topic, like how to add or subtract integers. For this, I want you to remember this table, which means if one number is carrying positive sign and the other number is carrying a negative sign, what you have to do? You have to subtract the number. Then, if the first number is of negative sign and the second one is carrying positive sign, then also you have to subtract the numbers. Now, if both the numbers are carrying positive sign, then you have to add the numbers. And if both the numbers are carrying negative sign, in that case also you have to add both the numbers. But your sign in the answer is going to be negative. For example, minus 16 plus 9. Now as you can see that 16 is having negative sign is in front of it and 9 is having a positive sign in front of it. According to this table, one negative sign and one positive sign, what you have to do? You have to subtract the numbers. 16 minus 9 will give you 7. Now you must be thinking, what sign you have to write down in front of your answer? For that, you need to understand that the large numbers in the question, the number that is larger, suppose over here 16 is larger than 9. So the larger number carrying whatever sign the larger number is carrying, you have to put that sign in front of your answer. Means over here 16 is the larger number. 16 is carrying negative sign, so your answer will be minus 7. Another question related to this. If the question is 16 minus 9. Now as you know that if the number is not having any sign in front of it, it means it is a positive number or it is a positive integer. So 1 plus sign and 1 minus sign, what mathematical operation you have to perform, that is you have to subtract the number. Now subtracts. Now next number says 16 minus 9. So according to this table, if one number is carrying a positive sign and one number is carrying negative sign, you have to subtract the numbers. Now over here there is no sign in front of 16, which means 16 is a positive number. So 16 minus 9 will give you 7. Now in front of it, what sign you have to put? Now first of all, which is the largest number over here? 16 or 9? Obviously 16 is the largest number. So 16 over here is a positive number. So your answer is going to be a positive 7. Another example, if the answer is -9 minus 9. According to this table, if both the numbers are carrying minus sign in front of them, you have to add the numbers, but your answer is going to be negative. Means minus 9 and minus 9 is going to give you minus 18. Hope you all have understood how to add or subtract integers.